If you're new to trading meme coins, you might be in for a nice surprise. Solana lets you reclaim a little part of your Solana based on the volume that you've traded on. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, and most importantly, join Sol Mafia. We have a free version and a paid version, and the paid version has so many tools that'll help you become a better trader. Also, download BullX and Nova if you haven't already. You pretty much need them to trade, and you won't be able to get very far without them. The only requirement to get this 100% free Solana is that you've traded before. If you have a tiny bit of volume in the account, you can still get this, and that's because every single time you make a trade, Solana takes a tiny percentage of your Solana and puts it away as like a rental fee for liquidity and other like technical reasons. You can reclaim this fee back using a cool website called Sol-Incinerator. The link is in the description below and also on my Discord. So just go to sol-incinerator.com, and then you're going to see a little connect wallet button. I'm going to click connect, I'm going to click phantom, and mine's auto connected already, but you'll probably have a little pop-up that you just have to click authorize on. Then you should see cleanup, tokens, NFTs, CNFTs, whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to cleanup. I'm going to click on vacant accounts right here. And then you're going to see right here, vacant accounts, 227. So that means I've traded 227 times since claiming the Solana. And I actually get a free 0.45 Solana that I get to take back from these vacant accounts. So all I have to do is click cleanup, click confirm. It's going to clean up like these vacant accounts. I'm just going to click confirm right here. It's going to take a tiny bit of time. So it just got me back. It says I've reclaimed 0.45 Sol. The starting balance was 9.3. Now I have 9.79. And that's amazing. Like all of these accounts were just claimed for free. And then I have like NFT spams that I can get rid of. These aren't really going to pay me anything, see, but it's just like cool to burn these like shitty fake NFTs. So hopefully this helped. I love this website. I use it all the time. I check it once every couple days, and I just claim like the remainder of my Sol that I like had left over from trading a lot, because I am a very high volume trader. I'll scalp, I'll buy in, get out, buy in, get out, buy in, get out. And so if you have a lot of trades, this helps pay you back tremendously. It's awesome. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a nice little surprise in your Phantom wallet. Once again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if this helped. Follow me on socials, and most importantly, join Sol Mafia. It's the best thing you can do to become a better trader. Even the free version has so much free value. Also, download BullX and Nova if you're brand new to trading and you want to get started. And I'll see you guys next time.